As of August 29, 2025, the Vaccine Adverse Event Reporting System, VAERS, reports 202 child deaths from COVID-19 vaccination. This number is unconfirmed, and the FDA is conducting an intense investigation. This inquiry was not performed by the prior administration, and the needed data was delayed by now ousted officials. Dr. Makary states that the 4 resigned officials obstructed the data review process. It is now underway, and the vaccine manufacturers have all agreed to include healthy patients to determine the need for the vaccine.
I can tell you, when we have asked for the CDC to give us data, since we came into office early on in the first few months, we got blocked and we were given different excuses and told to wait and we can't do it. And it was those individuals who resigned from the CDC that were in leadership that gave us the hard time about getting the data. We want to get good data so people can, as you said, make a risk to benefit analysis for their age group.
Dr. Dimitra Dakalakis states that being a healthy child is an abnormal condition. He states that 53% of children hospitalized with COVID-19 had no underlying illnesses. This is supported by data for likely COVID-19 hospitalizations with a brief 2-day stay and a mortality rate of less than 1%, making the determination of the risk of the injection important.
What Secretary Kennedy did with changing the childhood schedule for COVID-19, in that we were directed that only children with underlying conditions would be the ones that should qualify for vaccination. That's not what the data shows. 6-month-old to 2-year-old, their underlying condition is youth. 53% of those children hospitalized last season had no underlying conditions.
The April 2025 CDC update for data from October 2022 to April 2024 shows a change. From October 2022 to April 2024, older children hospitalized with COVID-19 often had underlying conditions. This data underscores the importance of current studies and understanding post-pandemic differences. Hospitalization rates for children under 4 years show COVID-19 rates similar to influenza during the 2022-2024 seasons. This comparison helps contextualize the impact of COVID-19 relative to other common respiratory illnesses. In conclusion, the call for comprehensive data is critical for current vaccination policy.
People are appropriately asking today, if I'm healthy, do I need to take another booster shot? 85% of healthcare workers did not take a booster shot last year because I think they want to see data. So at the FDA, when we approved the latest version of the COVID vaccine by 3 different companies, Pfizer, Moderna, and Novavax, the traditional vaccine platform, we asked the companies to go back and do a clinical trial in healthy subjects this flu season, this year, and to read out the results by May, and they agreed. And I think that's going to help answer the question a lot of parents have. If you have a 6-year-old girl, does she need 70 more shots in her average lifespan?
The fact-check verdict confirms the FDA's formal investigation using VAERS data. No official confirmation of vaccine-related child deaths exists yet. Preliminary studies indicate a low risk of severe adverse events in children, with ongoing investigations.